Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to day 19 of Vlogmas. It is early, which is why my voice sounds like this, but it is Wednesday, 8:30 in the morning, 8:25. My sister and I have an orthodontist appointment at 8:30, which should only take like 15 minutes. And then we are coming back, shooting some photos for me real quick outside for a holiday blog post. And then I have to babysit at 9:30, and I think I'll be babysitting until 12:30. So that is the extent of this morning. It's also why I look like this. I did put some eyelashes on. I'll probably rip them off later because I'm not really in the mood to wear eyelashes, fake eyelashes, but I wanted them to look good for the blog post. And I also have my retainer in because that's like why I'm going to the orthodontist, obviously, to get my retainer checked. So yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. It is a chilly start to the morning. It's 25 degrees here, but the snow is gone. No snow. We had like a 1/4 inch left yesterday, but the sun is shining, so happy Tuesday, everybody. No, I keep saying Tuesday. Happy Wednesday. All right, from one thing to the next, I am ready to babysit. Just got some Photoshot. Went to my orthodontist appointment. My teeth are perfect since I wear my retainer every day. Yay. So yeah, keep you guys posted. Guys, this puzzle is making me realize how awful I am at geography. It like tells you the capital and you're supposed to find this where the state is, and I'm not that good at it, to be honest. This is like the 3rd time he's made me redo it. All right, hello everyone. I'm home from babysitting and I am whipping up some lunch. Yeah, I just babysat. It's 12:30 and I love babysitting for these people because they live super close to me and they're so easy, which is always so great. So I am very hungry now. I actually like felt like I had so much to do today, but because I got my photos like taken beforehand, I really don't have a ton to do. Well, I do have to film 2 videos and like clean, but not a lot of like tedious little things like I usually have. I wrote my blog post last night and pre-scheduled that. So if you want to see 3 pairs of Shein shoes I'm loving, you can check out the blog. Link is in the description. And then I also got my Vlogmas up. I like edited it and scheduled it last night as well. So that's done, which is awesome because I don't have to worry about it today. Now I'm making lunch. I'm starting off with white rice. I'm making like a little bowl. We had these for dinner the other night and they were so good. And then there's this like spicy chicken, Chipotle inspired chicken. And then you put in some of this corn, beans, and peppers. And then I'm gonna put some cheese in. And then I'm gonna heat it up, and then after I'll put the salsa and the sour cream in it. But this is gonna be delicious. I've been eating like absolute crap since getting home. Like I feel like I ate Chipotle, I ate Chick-fil-A, we went out to dinner, I ate pizza, like, but it's cause, you know, I don't even have a justification. So now I'm gonna go back to my old ways and like start eating leftovers and like mom's home cooked meals instead. So let's heat this up. The lighting in our kitchen's always so good at this time of day. All right, here's my Mexican slop for lunch. Looks kind of questionable, but it tastes so yummy, I promise. Hey, Abby's out of her PJs and she has her cute little reindeer bandana on. When she's skinny, she looks so much cuter in this bandana. Like, I don't like when she's too fluffy with it on, but Abby got a haircut last week. Do you like your new PJs? Can you like your new jammy? You want to do tricks for treats? Tricks for treats? Okay, sit. Sit. Shake. Can you go up? Oh, good girl. You deserve a treat. My room looks like a mess, shocker, but it's because I'm about to film a video. I've got dresses over here, tops over here, pants there, and a couple of other random things scattered about. I've got my camera set up and I'm about to film the try-on portion. I literally forget how to film in my bedroom. Like, I don't remember where I used to film try-ons. Like, if you remember, let me know. I think I used to set the camera up here, but like the back of my room, this side of my room is such a mess because all that stuff in the corner that I think I have to film this way. So I'm about to film the try-on portion to this Shein haul, and then I'm gonna sit down and film the actual like haul. These are pieces that my mom chose for me. She chose my Shein order, and I'm excited to try on and see all that she picked and like how it looks on. So that's my first order of business. Alright, just finished the try on portion. Now I'm gonna hop on my bed and film the actual haul. Alright, just finished filming. Now it's time for me to hang all this up on my clothing rack. I'm hoping I can come up with enough hangers to hang all this stuff up, so we will see. Clothing rack is extra full, guys, and I still have to get this runway thing filmed and get those things hung up. So this is my last of the hangers, and I still need to hang up those like prom style dresses. So okay, I'm changed again. This is what I'm wearing now, and I actually only changed because we are headed to take my suitcase picture. If you guys have been keeping up with my vlogs, you know I got that like big red American Tourister suitcase, and we're headed to the train station to take a photo for that. So this is what I'm wearing. This black jacket I can't stop wearing is from Shein. I changed into a little black cropped sweater from Express. My jeans are from Express. These black booties are, I actually won in a giveaway. They're from a rider girl on Instagram, and then this little red belt is from Shein. I just wanted like a pop of red. I thought about wearing a red sweater, and I was like, that will be kind of distracting since the suitcase is huge and it's already red. So I've got my camera and we are about to head out. Hi guys, if you're watching this video, I need you to comment in the comments right now. Drop everything you're doing and comment what you think the best song is in the Taylor Swift Fearless album. My favorite song is track number 13, Change. It doesn't really say change at all in the song, but it's called Change. And then track number 1, which is Fearless. So if you listen to the Taylor Swift CD, please, please, please comment below. It's very important that we know your favorite song. Madison, what is your favorite song? I also like Hey Stephen and Romeo and Juliet. I pretty much like every single song on this CD, just in case you're wondering.
I don't really know the names of them, so I can't really...
Well, what's the melody?
I don't know.
Madison's driving me to the train station right now.
I don't know.
With my giant suitcase taking up all of that.
If the song comes on and I start belting it, then that's my...
I pretty much, what's track number 10? 10 is,
I don't know the name.
10 is Hey Stephen. No, it's not.
Oh, so smart.
I don't like this one. This is probably the most random set of pictures we'll ever take. I'm just in one outfit, my suitcase keeps rolling away. We're at the train station in Germantown, about to take my picture, praying a train doesn't come, but we're about to take this photo. Okay, we are now at Target because I have to take my Lindt chocolate campaign photos, and Madison is this is the only day she is off and is free and available. And I was there for her. And she's irritated because an old lady cut her off. So here we are. We are at Target in the Christmas aisle, and Madison is trying her best to stage this Lindt chocolate cart for me. There are so many people here, so taking this photo should be interesting. Instead of getting in the cart like usual, I'm gonna pretend I'm pushing it. And she's trying to make this look as cute as possible. Thank you so much, Madison. For all the cart pictures you ever see me do, Madison is the one who like sets them up usually for me. Alright, didn't share my outfit with you, so here's what I wore today. I'm back in the orange sweater. This is what I actually wore today, and then when we just took those photos, I wore the little black sweater, but I'm wearing these little tassel earrings from Walmart, my Kendra Scott necklace, my Apple Watch, my tan is like old enough, I don't really care if it rubs off, and then this burnt orange like v-neck raw hem sweater is from Shein. I'm wearing Express jeans, and then my boots are a Rider Girl. So that's what I wore today. I'm sharing my outfit with you now because my ears are really hurting. I have clip-on earrings. If you didn't know, I do not have my ears pierced, so, and my ears are really bothering me right now, so I'm like was showing my outfit and taking my outfit pictures so I can take them off. So I'm home now, obviously, and I am actually going to post my Instagram picture now. I started like engaging in my pods and stuff and just want to get that out of the way. And then once I am done with that, I think I'm going to vacuum up here. My grandparents come on Friday. Today is Wednesday, so like we're starting to clean like here and there. My sister cleaned our bathroom this morning. Yesterday I told you I was trying to get some laundry done and other stuff, so I'm gonna vacuum and clean our powder room, but I'll check in with you guys before then, hopefully. Okay, bathroom is clean. It's time for this room to come apart. Unfortunately, we do have to take all the birthday decorations down and get ready for the holidays, you know, so. Just enjoyed some dinner and now I've got the mail portion of the day. The mail comes so late here, it's so annoying. But where can we put this? Right here. I have Dad sitting here. Well, that's kind of hot. I have Dad sitting here for my mail portion because today's unboxing is from White Mountain, and White Mountain shoes are actually extremely comfortable. My first pair of heels was from White Mountain. Bought them at DSW. They were zero with cork. And I reached out to them for a collaboration, specifically, Dad, because you told me that I would need snow boots and I refused. And then I was like, you know what, I will wear snow boots, trendy snow boots. So guess what I have here? Cute little trendy shoes for the winter time. What do you think?
Pretty nice.
This is the first pair. They're like a gray, more of a sneaker type, because I don't know, I thought they'd be kind of fun. It's so weird that these say 7 dishes.
7 dishes? What do you mean?
That's like the brand on the inside of the shoe. And then
7 dials.
why did I think that said dishes?
Oh my
And
god, she can't.
This is
those
the
are really
second pair. They look like this. And these are more of like an actual boot style. These are Cliffs by White Mountain, so that must be like a side brand. But these have support in them. They actually have like some, you know, an arch. And they like lace up. Cute, cute. And these are like more of a tan. So I'll leave links to these below in the description. And you'll be seeing these on the blog. I am back in the car. And I am headed back to Target. My sister and I stopped. I cannot get my seatbelt buckled. We stopped earlier today because that was like the only time Madison was free and I needed to take a photo for a collab. I am headed back to Target to spend the gift card, and I am doing a whole bunch of returns for my mom. A lot to TJ Maxx and a couple things to Target, and it's all in the same plaza, so I offered to do that for her. So yeah, now I am about to drive there, and hopefully I hid my workout set that I really wanted because it was on clearance and I was afraid someone would take it, so hopefully it's still there. Making this my first stop so I can just get these returns over with, man. So the workout set was here. It was in the same place I left it. And it's so cute. I love the seamless leggings from here. And I just love matching workout sets from Target. This is the JoyLab line. I'm hoping that the leggings are on clearance when I ring them up because I really want it in navy and maroon. But if they're not on clearance, I can only get the navy. It is 11 o'clock at night. I'm sorry, I've been the worst vlogger ever. I'm gonna show you what I got though. I did get both navy sets, or both sets. I got the navy that I was trying on the last time we talked. This is what the sports bra looks like. And then I got the same set in maroon because I obviously didn't need another workout set, so here I am. Isn't it cute? So yeah, that's what I got. Gabby's here. Hello.
Hi guys.
And that's why I have been non-existent on the internet, because we've been sitting here talking for 3 hours now, so. Well, 2.5, but that's basically the same thing. And Brody's on his way over and we're gonna all get to talk because that's Colton's brother, by the way. And we're all just gonna sit here and chat, and I'm gonna end the vlog off here because I just know I'm not gonna end this vlog off in an hour. So make sure to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye.